how to buy Decentraland on Binance crypto website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Decentraland on Binance crypto website in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to Binance, and this is the home page. As you can see, now you have to go here in the top, click on markets, of course after you log into your account, and go down, search for Decentraland, and here is it. If you didn't find it, just search here in the search bar. After that, click on it like this, and then wait a few seconds, and here you go. Now you go here and choose the amount of mana that you want to buy, for example 500, and then make sure it's on buy here, and you will find the buy now option here after you choose the amount that you want to spend. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.